Okay, we're adjusting the throttle over here. So the reason this was all out of proportion is he had it so far over here, it was under the curve. So he didn't have the grip on there yet. And once you put the grip on there, you know where everything else goes. Wrench.
Is the wire pinched? Can't see it.
Oh, obviously.
It doesn't look
It's
pinched.
not binding, so you're fine. If this rotates easily, you're not pinched. If they're both together, you're good. This will just stick right on top of that. Once you get that down further, like that, it slides in, see? Maybe you had some up on the side too, I'm not sure. Have to readjust all that. You got this pinning upside down too, so it's going to fall out.
Oh.
Good, so now it all fits together nice and tightly because it's done correctly now. See, no more gap. Pull that in a little bit more, like that. There you go. Okay, that pulls in a lot tighter now. Okay, so where's your snap ring plier?
5 foot.
Okay, go ahead and feel out the, put up on the bike, feel it out.
It's actually right where it was before. Right around here.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, tighten them down. So once you get it where it feels good, go for it. If you don't like it, just change it later. So you overstretch this clip a bunch. See how far this thing's spread apart?
Oh.
So this needs to be squeezed back together with a pair of pliers. Otherwise the pin will fall out. The pin goes from the top, not the bottom.
Oh, I thought it went the other way.
Oh, you want the bottom to fall out. Alright, so now you just take a pair of pliers and adjust it. Get back narrow like that. Now it's oval shape, see? So now you take and bend it back down this other way. So it's 3 bends. If you bend it too much, it breaks it off.
Now you can really do them wheelies.
Huh?
Now you can really do them wheelies.
Yep, that's right.
There we go. That's nice and tight and round, see? Okay, I'll just put it back up where it belongs. Dark under there, though. I can't see that.
Need a light? Oops, sorry.
I'm coming for you. Yep, it's up under there where it belongs now.
I had to recenter the bars.
Which way they're going? They're going this way, right?
Yeah, I gotta go right. Now it's a little too far. That's perfect.
There?
Yeah.
Tighten down. Height is good also?
Yes.
Okay. Light tension on the check again.
Well, let me get out of here, Peter. It's getting dark. Cops are starting to come off, fucking up and down the street.
Yeah, that's because it's shift switch time.
It gets fucking dark.
Alright, we'll leave it
They
right
come
here.
out at the night, huh? Is that it? They're not night crawlers? Yeah, it's going to be a lot more comfortable with these bars on there.
Yeah.
I don't know why they put them stupid drag bars on there. They're very uncomfortable.
No, you gotta bend way over to even ride the thing.
Yeah, it's sad. The angle, the angle your levers are at are all
You
wrong.
gotta put your balls on the gas tank to even reach your bars.
Yeah, there you go. These are a lot more comfortable bars. They're stock Harley bars, just a different bike.
Yeah.
They're for a regular. They're for a cheap Sportster. They're the high-end Sportster.
Okay.
All right, you gonna kick that now?
No, I ain't gonna kick it.
Why not?
There's the flip
We fixed it.
Well, my bath, I know it ain't gonna break.
You got enough ass to do it?
If I don't kick it, I know it ain't gonna break.
Oh, is that how it works?
That's how it works for me.
We did find out the compression releases are worthless with a kicker, though.
Worthless.
100% worthless. How much did that cost?
Oh.
It was like 3-4 months, and how much? Hundreds of dollars.
He did it with the cam. He had to work up there anyway. So.
Oh, okay. They were in there anyway, so.
All I did was snap this thing.
Yeah, well.
Fucking, all I did was lose a little compression, right? Yeah, at least I know who.
It works a little bit.
Works for the time being.
It's gonna work again? It worked before.
If I can't hear.
Yeah, neutral and I don't know. Might be in gear? Might be it is in gear?
Here.
Start now.
Can't fix that.
Yeah, that's about this you're gonna get. Oh, start. Oh, you're supposed to have the ignition switch on?
Oh!
Who turns that off?
Fucked up the kicker. Get the switches off.
Ah, dumbass.
Oh, a fart.
Trying to run. Yeah, it's all flooded. That's it. That's it. Get the word out on it.
Sounds like the gear's slipping when it
It
clicks.
is. It is slipping.
Dangerous.
Yeah. Not trustworthy.
We didn't fix that very good. I wonder how we can fix that.
It needs a lot more spring tension.
Yeah.
We're wearing out the newness on it. Yeah, I see it.
Ooh!
You gotta kick it, but not too hard. That's the problem.
Fuck it, Kenny. I don't want to flip it out any more than this.
Wearing it out?
Figure out how we can fix it.
A lot more spring tension.
Adios!
See you later. Someone leaving these off.
Huh?
Oh, leave them off.
Should I just cut them off now then?
You're gonna cut them off, pull the plug out. You gotta lift up the gas tank, get the plug, all you gotta do. Well, leave mine there for now. We'll see you later.
Yeah, okay.
See you later. It's getting dark, we'll deal with it later.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, you got that hook back up?
Yeah.
Okay. So just gotta put a big zip tie around everything right here to tie it together for now so it doesn't vibrate around. And hold it. We have to lift the gas tank, get to that plug, take the Deutsch plug apart, and then just pull out those wires, put caps in there, which I got a bunch of. And then if you got to put the turn signals back on it down the road, nothing to be cut. You just hook it all back up.
Oh, okay.
No reason to butcher stuff. So why is this one?
Oh, it's not tightened yet. Neither of them are tight.
Okay. Cable's back in there more or less. Okay, I was going to adjust the brake line when I got interrupted.
The clutch?
The brake line.
Oh.
I had a... thought I had a thing in my pocket. What do I do with the wrench? There it is. The other pocket. See, it's a 12.7/16. These 2 wrenches, don't do it like that. See, you put drag on it. See, I just loosen enough I can pull it. Just what we want, because it's working. So I never let the tension off of it, so I don't want any air from it. Just enough that you can pull it where you need it to be. See, now it's not a straight shot. Okay, where's the other wrench?
Here.
That's not a 5/8.
That's a 5/8.
Oh, no, where's
Need
the
the
other
second
one?
wrench.
Yeah, 5/8. Where's it at?
Probably inside.
No, it was in the bucket. It's on the floor down there.
That's 11/16.
It's in there, right there. That's it. All you do is tighten it down where you want to do it.
Can we put the zip tie around the whole visor setup?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, that one's on. Yeah, you want to go through the whole wiring package there.
Like this?
Yeah, just go around every damn thing. Pull it together and it should be fine for what you need. Okay, now this one over here. See, it'll work. Something is different. Is this one got a bigger nut on this one?
Yeah. No, that's not a nut at all. It's just a round thing.
That one had a nut.
Yeah, but this one doesn't.
So it tightens up into something else. Wonderful. Down here a little bit. This one's not even 5/8 either. It's metric or something.
Probably 9/16.
It's not this one. Scooby.
Here.
Oh, you got it. What are you doing, Scooby? Scooby wants to go for a ride. See, Scooby wants to go for a ride over there. Look at that.
All right.
He's gonna jump in the car.
The clutch cable again?
Just your clutch cable.
Hey, Joe.
Yo,
What's going on, brother?
we're working on a real motorcycle. Scooby came for a visit, see? What did you wear out your tire already? Or did you break a sprocket free?
Bearing. How much did you charge me to pop in the bearing in?
How much can I get? Saturday, about 7 o'clock. Holiday weekend.
It is? I didn't know it was a holiday.
Every day's a holiday.
It's a holiday for Tatro. He's a party animal.
All right, give me a few minutes here. Let's finish this up.
Do you have one, or I got to bring one?
The bearings? I should have it.
Okay.
What year is it?
It was off 19, the newer bike.
So you got 2 little skinny bearings in there? Maybe. I think I still have it. I'm not sure. It's the same as the older bike. I have it. Okay, you got to adjust where you want it?
Yeah, we'll see. Just start it up.
You want me to roll it over here, or just leave it right
Put it by the back door up there.
Feels fine.
Okay. Stand went up. Okay.
Tighten that down.
Okay. Why is this pulled way over here? What a free length we could have had. Wow. Could have used that on the other side.
Oh well.
Sportster?
Yep.
Okay. Half inches.
Okay. You're still gonna have to do something up here on this brake line to keep from rattling. So you can pry that open and put something in there and then squeeze it back on it. It's not vibrating. And then when you're done, take the cable, zip tie them to it so the cables won't fall out.
Yeah.
They should be fine though for now. They're not going anywhere. So it's all about right on that.
Tatro, how much are the sweatshirts? I seen you gave Tony one. I thought he was cute.
He was cold.
Should have let his ass freeze.
I felt sorry for him. Poor little black boy. He's still growing.
He's an albino.
I didn't want to stun his growth. Didn't have any money either, so. Yeah. Well, I know you're not cold. It's not cold out tonight. See.
What they going for? I want to take one back with me to Atlanta.
Oh, geez. Atlanta. You gonna ride the bike back there?
No, I'm told man.
Oh,
I
okay.
think my club brother's buying it.
That's a long haul. Oh, you gotta sell it here, you mean?
It's 30 hours drive.
I heard you're getting beat all the hill up there in LA, so.
Oh, I fucking beat the shit out this guy.
That's not the video I saw.
What video? I was whooping ass.
That's not what I saw. All right, you got everything handled over here? Put your fairing back on there. Last part?
Yeah.
All right, that's it for now until we do the wiring.